Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ella Nur Syariah with MPM 23110505152. I'm from class 4D English Education. So in this video, I will practice the validity test using PSPP for Education Statistic Final Exam course. Well, before that, as far as I know, that the validity test functions is to test the items in our instruments, whether the items are valid or not. Without further ado, I will move to the step. Before that, I prepare the data that to be analyzed in my Microsoft Excel like this. Then, I also prepare the PSPP applications like this. Okay, let's move to the first step. For the first step, I will copy all of the data that I have in Microsoft Excel like this. I choose all of them except the name of participant or the name of the item. I click Ctrl C, then I move to the PSPP applications. I go to data view and I will paste the data that I have copied to the first variable in data view. Ctrl V. Alright, I will wait a minute because it will take a little bit time indeed. It's need a progress. Alright, after all of the data pasted, I will go to variable view. Here, I will go to variable view to adjust the decimal column, all of the decimal column into 0 like this. We need to adjust all of them into 0 actually. After adjust the decimal column, I need to adjust the measure column to the scale, to scale. However, due to my measure column was in scale, I don't need to adjust it. Now I need to adjust the name of the variable or the name of the item. However, it is optional, but I only have to adjust the name of the last item. It is a must. I adjust it to total like this. Total. And after that, I will go to Analyze menu. Then I choose Bivariate Correlation. And then I need to move all of the variable to the side. I will choose all of them so that I will use shortcut Control A and I move it all of them. Then I want to click OK. And after that, I will check the output in my taskbar like this. After I got my output, I need to determine whether or which are my item that's a valid. I need to determine which are the item are valid. Okay. In validity tests, there are some criteria to determine whether our data is valid or not. The criteria are if the significant value is higher or more than 0.05, it means the item is valid. Oh, I mean it's invalid if it is higher or more. However, if the significant value is lower than 0.05, it means the item is valid. So I will determine the all of my output or the all of my items for its valid criteria. For my first item is valid, the second item is valid, the third item is valid, the fourth item is valid, the fifth item is invalid, the sixth item is invalid, the seventh item is valid, the eighth item is invalid, the ninth item is invalid, the 10th item is valid, the 11th item is invalid, the 12th item is valid, the 13th item is invalid, the 14th item is invalid, and the 15th item is valid. So after I determine the valid item, I need to write all of the valid item to my paper or to my handphone in my handphone, because in the next I will do reliability test. All right, that's all my validity test practiced. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.